Hello, first grade. Our math today is something you all are already very good at. Adding and subtracting tens. I know what you're thinking. Mrs. Strumke, we have not added and subtracted tens. And I know you haven't, but I do know you are very good at counting by tens, which is the most important thing when we are learning about adding and subtracting tens. So let's get going and take a look at this. If you want to do it at home with me, you're going to need some of these, the 10 rods. And I have my 10 frames out, but you only have 2 10 frames. I actually have 6 10 frames over here. So I'll use 10 frames too. All right, here we go. Your warm up today. Say each number, write how many tens. 10 rods are perfect for this. Okay, you ready? So the first one says 10. How many tens? Okay, now these have 10 little cubes, right? Hooked together and they don't come apart. So if I have 10, how many rods do I have here? I only have 1 rod, don't I? All right, so that 1 is going to go in that blank. And you will have to do this on your seesaw page, so make sure you pay attention. All right, 30 equals how many tens? So here we have 10, 20, 30. See, you guys are so good at counting by tens already. So let's count how many tens we have. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 10 rods, don't we? So a 3 is going to go in that blank. All right, the next one says 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. How many tens? All right, count them with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 tens, don't I? Excellent job. I noticed a pattern there. I wonder if you'll see that pattern when you do your seesaw page. All right, let's keep going. We have a story problem about John and his blocks. And I know I have some excellent builders out there, so too bad they didn't say Legos, right? All right, let's go. John uses 20 blocks. So I have 10, 20. I have 20 blocks right there. I know they're stuck together. How fun is that? Then he uses 20 more. 10, 20. All right. How many blocks does John use in all? Let's put them together and count by tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40. He used 40 blocks. That's a lot of blocks. All right. Let's look at some other ways we could do this. Oh, my answers are on there. Give me just a second. Sorry, this is my 3rd recording on this one because I just can't make it sound quite the way I want to. And the first time I didn't put those numbers in there and it took me forever to type them. So I thought I am going to help you all out so you don't have to watch me do that. Okay, so how many balls? It says blank balls. How many are red? I'm going to pull out something that looks a lot like those 10 balls. My 10 frame. And I put stickers in here since we're talking about 10. These are always going to be full. How many balls? 10? Because my 10 frame is full, isn't it? So I'm going to write 10 in there. 10 balls there. All right. How many yellow? Let's see. I'll leave my red one over here. We have one 10 frame that's full and another 10 frame that's full. So we can count 10, 20, right? Okay, so we'll put 20 in that one. And then we have one more blank, and it says, how many balls altogether? They want to know how many we have, red and yellow. Hopefully these are like marbles or something because this many basketballs would take up a ton of room. All right, here we go. 10, 20, 30. Did you already know that was 30? I know, some of you guys you're just too smart for me. All right, now let's look at it a different way. Where'd we go? Come back. Okay. Let's look at it a different way. Because now this one reads a little bit differently. It says blank 10. And blank more tens. So I can't put 10 tens, can I? That would be 100. It's not 10 tens. How many 10 rods do you see there? Only one, right? We're not going to put 10 because they already put the 10 on there for us. Man, just trying to trick us up there, aren't they? No. Just move the whole screen. Oh, y'all. Okay, it's a Monday, isn't it? All right, and then some more tens. How many more tens? Now they already have the word tens in there, so we don't need to count by tens. 1, 2. So then we have 2 tens. And you're just going to have to deal with it being smushed over there because it takes me too long. Now it wants to know how many tens we have all together. So let me see if I can make it look like that picture. Whoop. Whoop. So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. All right. So there are 2 different ways to do that, right? The balls, we counted each one. 10, there were 10 here, 20, 30. But then when we did it on the bottom, we only counted the tens. 1, 2, 3. We put them all together because, why did we do that? Because they already put the 10 word in there, right? Because if we put 10 tens, that would be 100. That would be crazy. Not that crazy. You'll get to work with that in 2nd grade. All right. You have a closing ticket today. You will have to do the warm up. And I'm going to throw in one more problem for you. It's going to be about my fancy little stickers here. All right, 1st grade, good luck.